Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Bretherton, CEO of Caddie. Before we take a look at the new functionality we've introduced in Caddie 31, I'd like to thank you, our clients, for your continued support, all the developers for the hard work behind the scenes creating the software, the beta testers for ensuring that by the time you get to see the software it's as trouble-free as possible, and the staff for all their efforts every day. As is usual at this time of the year, we announce a retirement for an older version. This time it's Caddie 28, which will be stopped supporting in December this year. Anybody still using it? It's time to upgrade. A few supporting operations for the year. Our social media marketing is bringing in many new clients and also showcasing to existing ones just what Caddie can actually do for them. Our YouTube videos remains a very popular way of getting new tips. We have over 313,000 views now. Our online training remains very popular and we expect to start testing the new Advanced AEC course soon. We've also entered into a Memorandum of Understanding with SECAP, helping newly qualified architects to become fluent with CAD. And we'll also work closely with more education establishments to provide CAD software for schools and colleges and to help train their tutors. Continuing our initiatives for students, we provide support and training for training institutes using Caddie. We give free educational software to students. We have the Caddie Student Placement Software License Program, giving a full professional license for a month, and also access to the Getting Started training course for anybody that is actually taking on board a student. Looking towards development, we're making progress with our project to replace the graphics engine using new cutting-edge technology. When finished, it'll give you major performance improvements, increased functionality, and improved compatibility with the latest hardware. But for now, let's concentrate on Caddie 31. The requests have been in a few areas: general drafting, shortcutting commonly repeated actions and tasks. Things like name selections, hiding and showing objects, more object properties, and much more like that. GIS is one area that has grown enormously. Collaboration and sharing of information has been the focus of this year, with KML and KMZ import and export, ArcGIS filtering, Google elevation data, and georeference SG diagrams. Last year we introduced the civil parking bays, and that's been extremely popular, sparking requests for further options and enhancements. The DTM has had lots of improvements for triangulation and contouring. Survey has enhanced coordinate query and labeling, and solids have new properties and scheduling. As far as the AEC is concerned, there's new functionality for walls and slabs, as well as easier alignment of copied objects. Thanks to everyone that's come forward with requests and suggestions. As normal, most of this year's functionality has come from conversations with users like yourself who rely on Caddie for their everyday work. So if there's something you'd like to see in Caddie, just let us know. That's all from me. Let's now introduce Herod and Charles, who will show you a selection of the highlights of Caddie 31. Thank you very much.